cream is very moisturizing and it will last the whole day. Like your skin will be shiny the whole day. The whole day. That's how your skin will be shining with this cream. Wait, wait, wait. Just hear me out. So I'm browsing through the streets of Instagram. I'm browsing through the streets of YouTube, and we all know that the topic cream, what's it called now? Mela is now cutthroat. Like the price is pricing from 18 or how much to at least when I got to know about it to 20 something to 25. Now we're hearing 27. Some people are selling for as high as 30,000 naira for cream. Although topic cream Mela is good and it's a big bottle, so it will last a while. If you're someone who doesn't cream often, you can use this for a very long time. Yeah, but not everyone can afford that. Before you know it, within 30 to 40,000 naira, and the cream is nice. Cream is nice, no doubt. So I walk into the store and I'm like, okay, what can I get instead? Because 30,000 naira right now is a lot. Okay, and so I saw some other range from Topic Cream, and I'm wondering, okay, let me quickly, find information. I check Instagram, I check YouTube. Not really seeing information about this cream. Why? Why is she being abandoned? I mean, so I've taken it upon myself to make this review for you. So if you're looking for a review about this cream, you're welcome. Okay, so let's get into it. This is the Topic Cream Ultra Moisturizing Body Milk. And this is 24 hours hydration, like it says. And yes, I'm going to be telling you all the amazing things that I benefited from using this cream. All right. So, if you're someone who's looking to get a very moisturizing cream, you have dry skin on your body, you're looking for a cream that is very, very moisturizing. You're not looking to lighten, you're not looking to brighten, you're not looking for any of those. You just want your skin to be moisturized, properly taken care of. This cream is for you. Now, this cream retails for 10 to 12,000 naira. Don't go above 12k. Don't let them do that to you. And this is 500 ml. So it's a very big bottle. It's very big. It's very big. So just like the Topic Cream Mela, that's what a lot of people argue for 500 ml. But I mean, rob cream. That's Topic Cream Mela is a brightening cream. You know, it does that. So you will not be rubbing it every other day. You and I know you will not be rubbing it every other day. So that cream can finish in 1 or 2 months. Anyways, we're talking about the ultra moisturizing milk. So if you're of my complexion, or you are fair, naturally fair, please, you can use this. All right. Now, my experience with using this cream. When I started using this cream, I was using Topicrem Mela. So Topicrem Mela has that shimmer, that nice, brightening effect. This will not brighten you. As a matter of fact, if you're someone who's using lightening cream and you said that you want to use this, it's going to darken you. That's a fact. It's not a lightening cream. If you're already of choco complexion, choco, you're just looking for something that will moisturize your skin, then you need this. Grab this. This cream is good. It's good like that. Like it's a very, very, very moisturizing cream. It's the most moisturizing cream I have found out there. And it's a body milk. So you can imagine. Let me show you. I'm almost done with my own. In fact, you can see my conco down here. I'm almost done. This is 500 ml. I bought this cream. What month are we in? This is July. I bought this cream in February. And this is it. So it has lasted me a long time. I'm just going to take out because I don't want to waste my pump. But this is it. It has that milk, body milk texture. I'll show you. And it smells really nice. Oh, I like the smell. So this is it. This is the smell that I put. Just watch. It's a body milk. I mean, look at that. It's so moisturizing. Like it feels like water on your skin and then it just melts in and you have that shine. So when you wear your shoes, when you know, apply your fragrance and all that, your skin is still very soft, very moisturized. It's not sticky, not tacky. It's very, very moisturizing. That is what I like about this cream. I love that it's very moisturizing. Topic cream does really well with their range. Like I'm not seeing a lot of people talk about topic cream like that, but topic cream does very well with their range. Okay, so this is very very hydrating. I will be very honest. It is very very hydrating. It has urea, it has glycerine 10%, and this is going to stay all day. This is not one of those creams that you rub and after a while your skin is now looking like just poured water on your skin. No, not with this one. This cream is very moisturizing and it will last the whole day. Like your skin will be shiny the whole day. The whole day. That is how your skin will be shining with this cream. It just has this very nice, and it smells nice. Nice, radiant complexion. Very nice. I mean, you can decide to, use a serum alongside with this and all of that. That I haven't tried. Okay. So if you're using your brightening cream at night, you want something that you can use in the morning that is moisturizing, you can opt for this. But please note that this, if you're using cream, might darken you. That is the honest truth. So you're using a strong lightening cream in the night time, fine. Use this to protect your skin in the daytime. But this is not going to lighten you. If you are using cream, this is not going to lighten you. Please. If you're someone who is of dark skin, naturally fair skinned, you're just looking for something to moisturize and keep your skin radiant, then this is it. Okay. I love this cream. I love how moisturizing it is, and I believe that everything in the topic cream range is very very moisturizing. I'm very huge on moisture because I feel like you want your skin to be glowing, to be radiant. Moisture is your best friend, and if you can get that in 500 ml for 12,000 naira, please get it. If you have any questions about this cream, please let me know in the comment section. If you've tried this, you like it, please let me know.